What is up, YouTube? It's Rapid Scratcher back at you, and today we've got 5 packs of Shining Fates. I went ahead and bought an ETB, and I'm going to split it up into 2 videos, 5 packs, 5 packs. Okay, we're going to jump right into this. Set these off to the side here. Go straight into pack number 1. One, two, three, 4. Okay, let's do this. We got a Dark Energy, Ball Guy, Cramorant, Thwackey, Trapinch, Yanma, Coughing. We got more Pico, Horsey, Reverse Hollow, Rusted Sword, and we got I'm in a rare boss's order. Nothing crazy. Get these back in the pack here. Pack number 2. Oh, my bad. There goes that PSA 10. One, two, three, 4. Okay, we got a Lightning Energy, another Cramorant. We got a Rusted Shield Trainer card, Dartrix, Snom, Grookey, Eevee, more Pico, Choodle, Reverse Hollow, Nickit, and we got a Hollow Rare Frostmoth. At least we got a Hollow. Nothing crazy yet, but we did get a Hollow. Pack number 3. Here we go. One, two, three, 4. Okay, we got a Fire Energy, Floatzel, Thwackey, Rotom, Horsey. We got Cacnea, Shinx, Nickit, Roulette, a Q-Font, Reverse Hollow, and we got a Delmise V. Nice card. Not a full art, but we did get a V card. Okay, moving on to pack number 4. Still looking for that Charizard. I'd like to pull one on video. That would be phenomenal. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the back. Okay, we got a Lightning, Rusted Sword, Floatzel, Dartrix, Trapinch, Buizel, Coughing, Shinx, Grookey, Yanmega, Reverse Hollow Rare, and we got a Zarude rare card. Hopefully we can get some last pack magic here. Pack number 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got a Fighting Energy, Ball Guy, Team Yell Towel, my bad, Thwackey, Spinarak, Roulette, more Pico, Nickit, Eevee, there we go, Poltergeist, Shiny. And we got a Yanmega rare. So we were able to, I was hoping to get a shiny, and we got one right at the end. Last pack magic. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you guys did, please like and subscribe. And until next time, guys, peace.